So just wanted to show y'all this little power system I made real quick. It's 6 21700 cells, 12.6 volts max, 2 in parallel, so it'd be 2P 3S. That's what I did. And I got a 60 amp BMS up in there. It's all hooked up. It's kind of a mess. I like to tape stuff to look at it first before I decide the final how I want it arranged, because tape's real easy to peel off. And then I like hot glue. I also got electronic glue now because I love hot glue, but hot glue fails after a few years. So, but yeah, and I also love these, man. You can buy some of these that'll fit on any voltmeter, and then all you gotta do is clamp on. They have some needle nose too. That's cool. This is the charger cord. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. But yeah, I know it looks a little rough. I just kind of taped these up. But these will be tucked away on what this is going on. It's gonna be I don't know if I'm even gonna show you what is going on, but it's one of my power. I build power systems for a lot of projects. So this one will be able to pump 60 amps at 12.6 volts. So and do it pretty good. I mean, it could actually do more than that. It might surge over. The BMS is only rated for 60 amps though, so I'm gonna fuse it at 60. It's probably not gonna ever pull that much either. I don't really need that much. That's like, I can't remember, 700 watts, 700, whatever it is, 600 something, 700 watts, which is quite a bit available. So anyway, just wanted to show you all that. What else? Oh, I did make a new cap that fits better on this, and I'm gonna reprint this thing because I realized I had a setting wrong. Now it looks a lot better. So I'm going to print another one. That way it's a little smoother on the inside. And then I also lowered it just a little bit. That way I like it like that. That way it's good. And it's a tiny bit bigger. So if y'all want one of these, because that Lazar thing, that Barak, that whole plastic housing fits in this perfect. So I'll try to figure out a way to share that file if y'all want it. If y'all want the final ones that are like this, you just push in sand and then melt your aluminum, bismuth, whatever you want. Lead. All right, peace.